A PAC, or Porting Authorization Code, is a 910 character code that allows you to transfer your existing UK mobile number to a new provider. You'll need a PAC code when switching mobile networks or getting a new phone while keeping your existing UK number. Get your PAC code from your current mobile provider through their app, website, or by calling them. The service is free and usually available instantly. Important, PAC codes expire after 30 days, following regulations set by Ofcom. Once you have your PAC code, choose your new provider and plan. For a physical SIM, insert it into your new phone. If it's an eSIM, scan the QR code from your new provider to activate. The porting process usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but can take up to 48 hours maximum. During this time, you might experience a brief service outage. Once completed, your old SIM will become inactive and your number will be active on your new phone.